Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon S&P 500 Gold to Bitcoin podcast for January 2nd, going into the 5th. Okay, going to start off with the S&P 500. Been bullish overall from 3502. We've seen 3,492 into the bull trend. A lot of other bullish calls in here. All of those are on hold. We held exhaustion at 65.25. We held exhaustion below at the 65.25 low and bounced 469. Those are all on hold. Then we held macro exhaustion above 69.91 and a quarter with the 69.94 high and rolled over down to 68.66.75. On December 29th, we also left a minor bearish reversal above. And we also fell below a formation right here, which comes in at 69.07.95 plus 53 per hour, starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Sunday. I did not have this on the analysis this morning, but nonetheless, this is a short right here with a decent stop above. Decent trade back above will warrant a decent strength. Decent penetration is going to be 21.75 over the through Monday's open, and thereafter it'll be 19.75. Further break above this line will also be bullish. That comes in at 69.27.51. Minus 64 per hour, starting at 6 o'clock p.m. A maintain gap lower on Monday would leave a medium bearish reversal above that would also warrant pressure. Okay, gold has been chopping around a bit here. We've been bullish overall. I'm not going to go over all the overall stuff. I just went over that yesterday. The trade below 44.9860 projected this downward 95 plus. We've seen 214.3 of that so far. We broke back above this line right here this morning. We had a number of other bearish calls in here, but the break back above 43.50.60 brought in strength up to 44.14.80, and then we fell back down below where the line came in at roughly 43.56.50, which now warrants a renewed pressure. Decent trade above this formation right here, which is going to come in at 44.37.80 plus 4.5 per hour. That'll warrant a decent strength. Decent trade below this formation will warrant a decent pressure. That's going to come in at 43.02.40. Minus 1.3 per hour, starting at 6 o'clock p.m. A further break below this formation will warn of additional pressure. That's going to come in at 42.53 even, plus 2.8 per hour, starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Sunday. A maintain gap higher on Monday would leave a minor bullish reversal below. In the Bitcoin, I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff. I said the trade above 88.560 has warned a strength, and we've seen strength up to 91.555. I would note, though, that we broke above 99.90 to 91.115 and fell back below it, which is currently bringing in some pressure. Should we break back below this formation decently, that's going to warrant a decent pressure again. That's going to come in at 89.439 plus 24 per hour, starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you have an awesome weekend, and I will see you on Monday's podcast.